Hi, I'm Clinician Solomon. Welcome to Vision Beside Care. Do your eyes feel tired or blurry after using screens? Learn about digital eye strain. What is digital eye strain? Also called computer vision syndrome, it's discomfort from long screen use. Screens make eyes work harder and tire faster. Common symptoms: blurry or double vision, dry or burning eyes, headaches, neck and shoulder pain, and difficulty focusing are typical signs. Why does it happen? Less blinking causes dryness, poor screen habits, glare, outdated prescriptions, and blue light exposure all contribute. Tip 1. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds to rest your eyes. Blink often to keep your eyes moist and reduce dryness. Tip 2. Adjust screen settings. Increase text size and match brightness to your room's lighting for comfort. Tip 3. Maintain proper distance. Keep screens about an arm's length, 50 to 70 centimeters, away from your eyes. Limit glare by using anti-glare screens or adjusting your lighting. Use artificial tears if your eyes feel persistently dry. Tip 4. Regular eye exams. Ensure your glasses or contacts are up to date by visiting your eye doctor regularly. Protect your eyes and follow us for more vision care tips. Thanks for watching.